A big blow to KT Rama Rao in Formula E case. Telangana High Court has dismissed his quash petition regarding the Formula E car race case. Court rejected KTR's plea to prevent arrest, citing lack of provision for such relief. FIR filed by the Anti-Corruption Bureau includes charges of criminal breach of trust, that is under Section 409, and criminal conspiracy under Section 120B under the Prevention of Corruption Act. This means the Anti-Corruption Bureau can now proceed with its investigation into the alleged financial irregularities. ED has also taken up with investigation and summoned him. The Formula E case pertains to the payment in foreign currency to an offshore entity around rupees 45 crores, and this was in fact being paid according to ACB that there was no proper guidelines followed that were given by the RBI when this kind of transfer of money took place. The Formula E case was also being raised by the Congress government in Telangana and was used by the government, saying there was corruption within the VRS government that ran Telangana. My colleague Gautam, in fact, joins us with more details. Gautam, this comes as a big blow for KTR, especially with regard to the 45 crore money being paid to offshore entities. He was hoping that there would be a quashing of this case, but right now it looks like more investigation would be carried onto it, and the entire HMDA is also going to be under scrutiny because they are the ones who paid that money.
Absolutely, Verghese. So this indeed comes as a big setback for BRS Working President KT Rama Rao. So the High Court has dismissed this petition to basically seek quashing of the case to prevent his arrest that was registered by the Anti-Corruption Bureau in connection with the Formula E case. Now, the court was not inclined to extend the interim orders protecting him. It had basically, until this case was heard today, he was safe from arrest in the Formula E case. But with this petition being quashed, what this basically means is that when he summoned for questioning by the ACB on January 9, that is a couple of days from now, that will be the date to look out for. That basically could be the day when KTR could possibly face arrest. Already there was high drama in the ACB office yesterday, where we saw KTR was there to record a statement and he refused to go inside. He claimed that the agency was not allowing his legal team to be present for nearly 45 minutes. There was a standoff that ensued outside the ACB office in Banjara Hills. Now it remains to be seen whether this quash petition not being taken up now, this could open up the doors for KTR's arrest and could be a major development in the state of Telangana, Verghese.
Also, when we talk about this particular case, there is this question about how much money was in fact being spent, how much money was in fact going through the various channels. There's an ED case also with it because they consider it to be part of money laundering as well. Now, that parallel investigation is also happening.
Absolutely. So, indeed, the ED always steps in when there's a case involving a deal with a foreign company. And like you rightly pointed out, the transfer of 45 crore rupees to a foreign company is what has put KTR under the scanner here. So he could, as much as it is just a simple process where the ED steps in, but now the ED has also summoned him. So it's not just the ACB with the ED stepping in. It could be real big trouble because KTR, when he was the minister in 2023, is when the scam took place. And the deal was cracked between the municipal administration for urban development, and that is when the Hyderabad had hosted Formula E race, and it was an international racing event. So the ACB has booked him in connection with several alleged irregularities in this event, and already we have an FIR also that has been registered against him under Prevention of Corruption Act as well. So all these sections basically imply that if KTR is not able to furnish enough proof, there could be grounds for his arrest. He has time and again taken on Revanth Reddy as well, saying that I challenge you to a debate yesterday in the assembly as well. He said that, why don't you come out and speak to me in this? But Revanth Reddy is refusing to get involved in this matter, saying that this is just the legal process will take its own course here, Verghese.